Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Range Rover Vogue SE. So first of all, what we do, we go to Bluetooth, switch Bluetooth on, and then we're watching down here at the bottom. Over to the system, click phone. You'll see there, at the moment it's just showing what phones can be connected, but you've got search new, so we click search new. Please select a search option below, device to vehicle, vehicle to device. I'm going to do vehicle to device. Click there. It's looking for it now. Just watch. Searching, searching, searching. Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. Click on that. To pair and connect phone, enter 36101 on handset. 3610. Pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. Let's see, Range Rover Sport, Range Rover. Connecting to Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. Connected. You'll see there the sat nav come up. That's always a good sign it's connected. That's it. That's how you do it. Phone connected.